France is the most visited destination in the world, with over 100 million visitors in 2024 alone.
Despite the diversity of this beautiful country, for some reason, people keep focusing on the capital, which leaves the people of France saying, Paris n'est pas France, or Paris is not France.
So we decided to take the TGV south to one of the most beautiful parts of France that deserves more recognition, Nice.
With its beautiful blue beaches, charming little streets, and the very distinct cuisine of this area, I'm so excited to try it.
All right, my darling. Allez, on y va.
In this video, we'll be showing you the winding alleyways and beautiful shops of Old Nice, the spectacular coastal views from nearby Aise and Menton, and of course, the delicious food to eat while in town. In short, all the reasons we think you should visit Nice.
But first, dinner.
That's a drink. Oh man, that's fresh.
I'll trade you for one sip.
Is there any alcohol in this thing? I don't think so.
It's full of gin.
I think you're tipsy, Mrs. Dupont.
Perhaps. Oh, I want to see yours. Yes. That looks good.
Oh.
I am happy.
Yeah.
All of those flavors go together, like it's just all tied up with a bow.
Well, what are these things?
These things?
Yeah.
That's blue cheese with a little bit of pomegranate and a little bit of arugula, roquette in French.
That looks delicious.
And I'm going to take a little tiny piece of the pear, and that's a bite with everything. There's some pecans in there, but the pecans are very subtle.
Yeah.
Kind of a citrus dressing.
What did I order?
It's stuffed vegetables.
Stuffed vegetables.
Yeah.
I ordered that in the middle of my first cocktail.
You were pickled when you ordered it.
I'm a little fuzzy on the details. Look at that.
What is it stuffed with?
It's stuffed with good stuff.
It's like Shrek eating an onion. Sorry. I want a bite.
Are you stealing my whole tomato?
Just part of it.
No, they have laws in Nice against that.
I don't think they have any laws here.
Yeah. You have total envy on my appetizer. I can see it in your eyes.
I want this one, but I wanted a taste of that one.
Well, I'm going to see if it goes with it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're happy.
This is a welcome to Nice perfection. Bon appétit, my darling. What is this?
It's a slow-cooked chicken with apples and parsley on smashed potatoes, not mashed potatoes. And I don't know what kind of sauce that is just at the moment. Shall I take a bite?
Yeah, take a bite. And I took the linguine with black truffle. Because we're so close to Italy, could almost walk to it, but look at this. Linguine with parmigiani and black truffle.
It's exactly what you wanted.
That's precisely what I wanted.
Thankfully, we didn't have far to walk after dinner because we rented an apartment right on the Promenade des Anglais. While there are many excellent hotels in the area, waking up to your own coffee machine can't be beat.
So far, our experience of Nice has been spectacular. There's something about the morning air that's just so refreshing. I think it's a good time to check out the local market. The local fresh market is always a good indicator of a town's culture. Nice's Marché aux Fleurs is filled with bright colors and flavors and perfectly reflects the Italian influence of the area.
I am so excited to try some of these local specialties and maybe bring a thing or two back home with me. Let's go get a soca. Merci bien. They just delivered a fresh one, and she brought me mine, and then she sprinkled fresh ground pepper on top of it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take this little bite. It's nice.
Yeah.
Very light, very...
Oh, actually, it's great for breakfast. You know, I like protein in the morning. I don't like sugar, preferably. I mean, I have a pain au chocolat, but...
very simple. It's light.
Yeah, it's light, it's basic, it's the type of stuff I love. Yeah.
We need some. Holy moly. It's crazy how much flavor's in there. I need a bag of sun-dried tomatoes. C'est extraordinaire. Merci bien.
C'est de l'ail confit.
Vous l'avez jamais goûté?
Non, mais je peux pas, je suis allergique à l'ail.
Ça se mange comme des olives. Ça se mange comme des olives. Bon, après, j'espère pour vous que vous n'avez pas une chérie embrassée quand même.
Ouais, ouais. Sauf si qu'on mange aussi.
Ça,
Hey, Colin, elle peut essayer aussi, hein?
bien sûr. Ah non, non, ça j'en veux pas, c'est sûr que je veux.
Voilà.
Ah, madame, prenez la mère.
Bon.
Merci.
So? Yeah.
Croyez-moi, celui-là, il
Merci.
est rare parce que j'en ai de l'ail marocain.
It's
comme ça.
salty, vinegary,
Rien à voir.
spicy, a smidge hot because it is definitely fresh garlic.
C'est une société parisienne.
I love
qui fait ça,
that.
Il y a que eux qui... N'oubliez pas, mesdames.
Ah,
Ah oui,
merci.
I could easily spend the whole day here, just basking in the colorful life of the marché and buying art from locals who spent their entire lives here. However hard it may be to leave, Old Nice gets much deeper than this.
It's always humbling and awe-inspiring to walk into a 400-year-old cathedral. And even if you aren't there to worship, you can't argue with the beauty and rich history of the site.
To see that even centuries later, there are candles still being lit moves me, it gives me hope, and it makes me want to light a candle too. With Italy so close by, there is no shortage of shops serving delicious sweet gelato. But this place, Frenchies, serves its scoop with a twist.
With flavors like rose, cactus, and rhubarb, all the way to popular candies and even beer, this place has some serious range.
I think I need to try that tomato one.
It's interesting, and I was wondering if it would be bizarre or delicious. For me, it's delicious.
It is bizarre.
After a beautiful morning visiting the old city, we met up with Anja and Aila from the YouTube channel Riviera Go. Besides creating great content on the French Riviera, they were super helpful with our research for this trip. And it was great to finally meet them in person and to share an awesome lunch in a great local spot.
It was a real pleasure to meet with them. And on their recommendation, we headed over the Colline du Château for a panoramic view and walk off our lunch.
We had the option of taking the elevator or walking up 500 steps, so naturally, we took the stairs.
Yeah, right. That view was incredible and stayed absolutely stunning the whole way down the stairs. Now, whether you take the elevator or brave the steps, this site is a must-stop if you visit Nice.
There's so much to discover in such a short time here, but I think we deserve a nice vacation nap.
Absolutely, my darling. And after a good siesta, we'll have the energy to ride the city bikes to dinner. These bikes were a blast to ride and got us across town faster than by car. Nice is a great place to explore by foot and by bike, and will leave you lost in the coastal vibes.
Just make sure you don't miss your dinner reservations.
Tonight we're having dinner at Chez Arcado, which is an institution in Nice. It's been here for 100 years. You have a lot of tourist trap in the old Nice, obviously, because it's a lot of tourists here. But this is a place where they make everything from scratch.
And it's been in the same family for generations.
The guy that actually welcomed us is the great son,
The great-grandson of that woman?
of that woman. That woman right here. To family business.
To family business.
You know what's funny is, no, our son is behind the camera filming us.
So what we just ordered is the assiette niçoise. So we have the pissiladier, like a Swiss chard tart, omelet style.
Yeah.
And these are the soca French fries with olive in it. See, it looks like a French fry, but it's made with chickpeas.
All right, can I try that? This is amazing. Wow, what a great way to start an amazing dinner in Nice. Cheers to you, my darling. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit. Oh! Oh!
Oh, wow. What on earth do you have?
That is a slow-cooked beef stew.
Yeah.
Oh man, look at it. It's falling apart. You don't need a knife.
Hold on, let me remove this one out of the way.
Gendarme, it's a thief.
Yeah. That hits the spot.
You barely need teeth for that meat. So what do I want to steal for? Oh, this piece over here is extra.
No, you're not.
What do you have?
So I have breaded veal with cheese.
The house special scallop. So there's going to
Right.
be ham and mushrooms and tomatoes and things in there.
Probably.
It's supposed to.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff you're
Oh my
allergic
God, that
to.
looks good.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, move over.
Move over.
Move over. I want to see in the
Step
middle.
away from the car.
Oh yeah, Charlie, check that out.
Oh, yeah.
With the ham and cheese in there.
Are you stealing this whole thing? Cheers to you, my darling. This is amazing.
After a long day in Nice, I'm ready for a leisurely stroll and a good night of sleep.
Get some rest, darling. Tomorrow, we're driving to Aise bright and early. Aise is only a 35-minute drive from Nice, and the landscape along the route is worth it on its own.
I am definitely looking forward to seeing these gardens because I've heard they are the most beautiful in all of Europe.
The town of Èze is absolutely charming. The walk to the summit is filled with twisting little cobblestone passages and little boutiques carved into the wall.
And all of that is just pit stops on the pathway because the real treasure is the garden.
I read that they said that it's arguably the best view in the south of France, and I agree. It's literally breathtaking.
After a quick lunch in a touristic spot, we were ready to head down to the Fragonard shop. But we got a little distracted along the way.
Hey, this time it wasn't me. And who could say no to a nice digestive drink?
That's good.
Oh wow.
Big success in summer. Big success this one.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to get some of that. So
Well, there's a special if you buy 4 bottles. I might get a little pickled later. All right, with that little delicious distraction out of the way, we're ready to mosey on down to Fragonard. The guided tour of their production floor is very interesting, and the whole place smells fantastic.
Overall, it was a nice experience and a great note to leave Èze in time to discover Menton.
So this over there is Italy. Yeah, and this is Menton.
This quiet beach town is totally picturesque. It's colorful, warm, and filled with the energy of the Riviera. And it's a great place to grab a gelato.
And if you like stairs and more stairs, a lot of stairs, there is a great view from the hilltop cemetery.
You know why they put the cemetery out there? Because when you arrive there, you want to die.
Menton was the last stop on our trip, and I think it rounded it out perfectly. A cool sea breeze, a long walk, a jaw-dropping view. It's just what the doctor ordered.
So to answer the question of the video, why you should visit Nice and the French Riviera, well, what more can we possibly say?
We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, we hope you'll enjoy some of our other travel and food videos.
Now, if you're planning a trip to the French Riviera, check out the description of this video for useful tips and our free guide download. And even if you aren't, give it a look. Your wife will thank you.